What's going on YouTube? Today's video we have a brand new wallet from Slim Wallet. This is the new foldable wallet that you can actually have a lever and actually use it that way. Super convenient. We're going to check it out in this video, tell you everything about the features, the price, the quality, if it's worth it. Let's go. So this one currently retails for $29.99 at the time of the recording. Let's go and start off with a quick unboxing experience. So Father's Day is coming up, and if you need a good wallet for your dad, then boom, this is a good idea. Now what differentiates this between a bunch of other ones is the build quality. Now this is like a full aluminum or a metal build, which gives it more protection. It's a lot more solid, it's cold to the touch, and it's also really, really thin. It's a minimalist wallet, which allows you to obviously just have cards and maybe some banknotes or some cash right there on the front, and it could hold a pretty good amount. This clip, I was told you can technically remove it. There's little 2 screws right there, but I wouldn't remove it because, I don't know, I just wouldn't remove it. It doesn't really get in the way comfortably, which is really nice. So the lever here, I wish it was a little bit easier to use, but if you're going to use 2 hands, it's more secure so it doesn't accidentally pop out. These cards will not fall out whenever you like shake it or whatever, which is nice, but they're easy to remove. So even if you want to remove the top one, you can remove just this top one, which is really cool. So if you wanted the quick access one, you just use this, take it out, and you're good, which I really like. And to insert them, it's a certain way, that way they don't fall out automatically. It does have a little corner right here, so it's not completely exposed, and then you have that bottom gap right there is where you're going to insert them in the corner. So to insert all the cards is the same way that they fold out. You go at an angle like this, it'll go on that bottom piece. You go at an angle like this, it'll go in that bottom piece, and then you just push the cards in and they're good to go. And then from there, like I said, you could use the lever. It is a little stiff at first, but once you use it a little bit more, it'll get easier to use. This does have RFID blocking, so you're safe when it comes to, people trying to steal your information and stuff. That has a protection on it. It's super thin, like I mentioned. This is the size of like an iPhone, as you can see here. It's basically the same exact size as an iPhone, so it's not bulky, which gets rid of all the bulk if you do have a huge wallet, those huge trifold or leather wallets. It's time to upgrade, okay? So this is super thin, super compact, and I love the fact that you can actually just do like that. Like, it's so addicting. They do have other wallets available as well, but this is their newest version, so thank you for thinking about me when it comes to checking out this wallet. I believe they do have other colors available as well, if I'm not mistaken. Right now we do have the black version, which you can't go wrong with black. I want to say this wallet is not, you can't really take it apart because it doesn't have like exposed screws. Now, since Slim Wallet does have a bunch of wallets out there, I do want them to make a MagSafe type wallet. The MagSafe wallets, in my opinion, are just really, really helpful. They're just as slim, if not slimmer. I would like to see maybe Find My in the future on this, or some sort of technology into a wallet, because that would be really, really cool. It does have RFID blocking, but I want to see some cool technology, The ability to actually, do this and all that, it's really, really nice. But to take it a step further, I would honestly add that. So that's just a little pointer, just a little thought to the company and to keep in mind. But other than that, the money does not slip out. It's like really, really secured, which is nice. So you have no problems when it comes to the money clip. It's actually really easy to slip your banknotes or whatever really easily and take them out as well. I don't see any issue with that at all. It's actually one of the only ones that I would actually use, because I have had money clips in the past. I wouldn't really use them all that much because I don't really carry cash, but for the people that do carry cash, you can carry cash here. It'll secure it without a doubt. So without further ado, if you guys want to check this out, link in the description down below to buy. Once again, Father's Day is coming up, so I really recommend to try to find some gifts, and we will be making a gift guide video, but if you also want to check one of these books out, then I highly recommend it as well. Link is in the description for everything. And I'll see you guys in the next one. We out.